Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Juliana Palencia, aka JeweJeweBee, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my secrets for styling my edges. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, it's at JeweJeweBee. You guys know that edges are like my thing. I'm all about doing my edges and styling my edges. Always get questions on how I style my edges, what I do, what I use. If you guys like this video and enjoy this and you like to see more like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's just get into it. So this is my natural edges. Most people have never seen them before because I pretty much do my edges every single wash and go. Here, because my hair's so curly, they're actually like really long. Wow. So before I used to do my edges on wet hair, but I realized that putting Ecostyler on wet hair just makes it curl up even more. So what I do now is actually, after my hair is dry, I'll style my edges, and this makes it so much easier to do and gives it so much more hold. And actually before even that, I used to do my edges like this. And we're just not gonna talk about that. Another thing, when you do your edges like this, wrist motion, it's all about the flick of the wrist. You better warm them up first, so we're just gonna do a warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you move those wrists. 8, 9, 10. Once your wrists are warm, you should be ready to go. Okay, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that, but it is all of the wrist motion. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Here I'm using the Ecostyler Crystal Gel. It's max 10 hold. I love this gel. I know people love the argan oil and the olive oil one. To me, those are like more moisturizing, and even though it's level 10 hold, it doesn't seem like it has like as much hold because it's so moisturizing. This one literally is just hold. So I really like to use this on my edges. I'm going to take the Ecostyler and put it all over. And now that that's done, I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and I'm gonna do 3 swoops on this side. And like I said, it's all about the flick of the wrist. So I start at the top, and what we're gonna do is an L shape. Like down and then long. Down and then long. Actually, it's more like a bubble letter L, because what we're essentially doing is kind of taking it, no, it's like a J. Yeah, kind of like a J. So what we're doing is going forward, kind of rounding, and then going straight back. And I'll show you guys. I'm going to go forward, round, and then take it straight back. Dang, my hair was stiff as I don't know what there. So you can see it has a swoop there, but usually I don't just do one. I like to get it the perfect shape, so sometimes I have to do 2 times, sometimes 10 times. So I'm going to do it again. Take the hair down and then straight back. So once you go down, you hold the hair where you kind of start curving down, hold it there, and then straight back. And as you can see, that is the first swoop. I'm gonna go show you guys the second one. So we start where this part is, and you go down, bring it a little bit forward, hold, and go straight back. And what I like to do is I like to go back up over the previous one, because when you create that swoop, sometimes it's a different shape than this one, or you might mess up the line here. So what I like to do is go back up and redo that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Okay now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit more gel, put it over this, and do the same exact thing. This one is always the easiest for me to do because it's so small, and I kind of already have like the part and everything from doing the previous one. So I'm gonna grab as much hair, push it down, and go down, and then straight back. And as you can see, I have the 3 swoops. But also, as you can see, like, it's not a super straight line here. It's kind of not a straight line here. So I'm going to go back from top to bottom, and I'm gonna redo it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now the last thing, well, before I do the other side, is I'm going to take some more gel and I'm just going to lay it over top of it and kind of get it to hold in place. It's kind of like hairspray. Like, it's just really going to get it to stay like that and just hold. The main thing I focus on when I do my edges is these lines being straight. So sometimes I'll just go and reinforce those lines there. And you guys want to know something that's like kind of embarrassing? Sometimes, actually quite a few times, I will not do this side because you can't see it anyways. Like, my hair's down. So sometimes I'll just do this side, and if the wind blows, that's what I do sometimes. But I'm going to do the other side to show you guys how I do it. Actually, this side is the side that's easier to do and usually ends up coming out better. And it's so annoying because I wear my part on this side. So it's like, what's the point?
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends I won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is...
See how easy that was? This side always gives me trouble and does not look as good as this side here. What side do you guys think looks better? Side number 1 or side number 2? I feel like this side always turns out better. I just finished this side, and this side kind of starts curling up a little bit. So I'm showing you guys the real process. Like, I do this side, sometimes go over it like 15 times, do this side, then have to do this side again. So this is just the real like routine.
Like a running back in his old days, still rocking those OJs. My paychecks get a little bigger, but that don't change me or make me richer. Money coming and money go.
And there we go. And here's where I use a toothbrush. I don't use it on this part, but I do use a toothbrush or a mascara brush here. I just take some hair forward, hold down, swoop, kind of doing a mini version of what I do here, and then take some hair on this side, hold it down, and swoop. And to me, this kind of reminds me of a mustache. My dad called it that when my sister did it. He's like, why do you have a mustache on your forehead? But kind of reminds me of that. And then I just put my scarf on. It's been a few hours and my edges are now dry. I actually wanted to speed up the process a bit. So what I did was pull my scarf back and just take my blow dryer and blow dry my edges for about 5 minutes. But I let my hair set for about maybe an hour before I did that. So here is the edges reveal. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see more videos from me and join me and just be a part of the little fam, then you can hit that subscribe button as well. And you can also follow me on Instagram at JeweJeweBee. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and being here with me today. I really appreciate it because you could have been anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with me right now. And that means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.